Okay, as we continue on in the 9.1 part 2, um, we're going to convert rectangular equations to polar equations. So meaning you should not have any x and y's, but rather you're going to try to get r and theta. All right. Um, so I'm going to remind myself that x is equal to, oops, that x is equal to r cosine theta and y is equal to r sine of theta. Okay, so right off the bat, when you look at this first example, right, there's 4xy. I'm going to substitute the x and y, right? That's going to be 4 times r cosine theta for the x and r sine theta for the y, and that's equal to 9, right? So I'm going to technically, we could be done. We don't have any x's, we don't have any y's. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit by multiplying the r's together. So I've got 4r squared. Oops, sorry about that. That's going to be 4r squared, and then cosine theta times sine theta equals 9. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. In the next example, again, we want to get rid of x and y's, right? I'm noticing here that there is a greatest common factor, right, of 2, so I'm going to take out a 2. So that's 2, and then, oh goodness, that's 2, and then x squared plus y squared equals 3. We know that right here, x squared plus y squared, that's going to be r squared. And 2 is already there, so that's 2r squared equals 3. We have no x, no y's. Now there's no theta, but that's okay, right? As long as there's no x and y's here. And so this is it. So for these last two, right, let's actually go out of order. All right, x equals 4. It's going to be pretty simple, I think. All right. X we know is r cosine theta equals 4. And yay, you're done. That's it. Over here on the left, we're going to replace both x and y's. Okay. So now you got to be careful. X is r cosine theta. But that whole thing is being squared, so you got to make sure you put that in parentheses. And then equals 4, and then y is r sine of theta. Okay. Now, again, we could be done, but I'm going to clean this up just a little bit. And over here, I'm going to distribute the squared. That's going to be r squared, and then cosine squared theta equals 4r sine theta. Okay. One thing I want to reiterate here, and it's been a while since we met together in class, and this is not, right, it's not the same as r squared cosine theta squared, right? Those are not the same things, okay? And in fact, this is actually incorrect, right? So we're going to make sure that we're going to use this one right here. All right? So that's it. Alright, that's all I have for you for now. I'll try to, I did upload in Google Classroom a practice worksheet for 9.1. It does not cover the converting equations. I'm going to try to find something for you by the afternoon. So be on the lookout.